Okay, so now in this video we're going to do an example, application example. And so in this case, again, we want to read the problem carefully so we understand what's going on and what the relationship is going on. In other words, what operation are we going to be using? So bedding plants are to be, bedding plants are to be planted 3 5 inches apart and 3 5/8 inches from the end of the planter. What length of planter is needed for 9 plants? Okay, so again, if we could draw a picture, and so we'll draw the planter. And so we want 9 flowers here, right? So we want to put right, 9 flowers across, and we want the flowers to be 3 5/8 inches from the end, and we want each plant to be 3 5/8 inches apart, right? So we've got this, right? So we want 3 5/8. So we want 9 flowers that are supposed to be 3 5/8 inches apart from each other and 3 5/8 inches apart away from the end. Okay, so that goes for here and here. Okay, so if we draw 9 flowers, okay, just to get a visual of what's going on. So how many 3 5/8 inches do we need to have for 9 flowers? Well, we need to be 5 3/8 from the end, so that's 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for in between. So that gives us a total of 9. So we need 9 segments of 3 5/8 inches. So this is going to be, and then we want to know how long does this planter need to be. So in this case, we want to do multiplication, right? Because we're going to add 3 5/8 over and over again 9 times. So we want to do multiplication to get the answer. So this is going to be 9 times 3 5/8. So we're going to change, again, both of these to a mixed number. So this is going to be 9 over 1 times 8 times 3 is 24, plus 5 is 29, over 8. And in this case, there's nothing to cancel. Okay. Yeah, there's nothing to cancel here. So there's no common factors in the top or the bottom. So we're going to multiply across, and what do we get? 261 on the top, 8 on the bottom, and then we're going to divide, change it back into a mixed number. And the total length of the planter needs to be 32 inches, 32 5/8 inches. Oh, hold on a second, did I? Oh no, I don't have enough I didn't write enough flowers, guys. I didn't count right. So that's wrong. So that was for 8. So all 9 spaces, but I didn't add any flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I should have counted my flowers. So that means I'm going to have 10 spaces. So that means I'm going to have to add another 3 5/8. So I missed one. The multiplication's okay, but I used the wrong number. Should have been 10, because see, again, check your work. So we need to add another 3 5/8. So 3 5/8 again is going to be 29/8. Okay, so we have to add another 29/8, which is the same thing. And so this is going to be 290/8. Right? And so that's going to give us hold on. Yeah, that's going to give us we have 36 1/4. Okay, so let's do that one more time. So now we have 10. So we had I had 8 flowers, but I accidentally wrote 8 flowers, so I counted them wrong. So we're gonna have 10 spaces here. So 2 spaces from the end, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces in between. So we're gonna have 10 spaces that need to be 3 5/8 inches long or in length. So we're gonna multiply 10 by 3 5/8, which is equal to 10/1 times what? 29/8. Now we can cancel some things. So 2 will divide 8 and 10, so this will become 5 and this will become 4. And if we multiply these together, what do we get? We get 145 over 4, which is going to give us 36 1/4 inches. And so that's how long the flower bed needs to be. Okay, have a great day.